Jamaica has officially taken over the World Expo in Japan, and the numbers don't lie. Over 750,000 visitors and counting. From statues of Bob Marley and Usain Bolt to a real Jamaican bobsled, the island's pavilion is pulling in over 10,000 guests every single day. Commissioner General Maureen Smith is leading the charge, relocating to Japan to ensure this black, green, and gold setup turns heads. They're not selling anything but giving away memories instead. With help from the S Hotel and the Jamaica Bobsled Federation, the pavilion became a cultural hotspot. And when they hit 19th to 451 visitors in one day, even tourism boards back home took notice. The crossover doesn't stop there. Jamaica no Jamaica, a homegrown anime series, lit up the stage with packed-out screenings, proving Jamaican and Japanese cultures are more connected than ever. With over 2 million passing through the Commons Bay, Jamaica's booth is easily one of the stars of this year's expo. Big up Team Jamaica for putting the island on the global map again.